Hi everyone. This episode gonna introduce how to create pull request. So what is pull request? Let's search the keyword pull request in Wikipedia. It leads us to the distributed version control page. First of all, pull request is one of the actions in the distributed version control system. Wiki introduces pull request as a way to contribute to open source repositories, also known as merge request. Contributors request open source maintainers to pull their code changes that contributors contributes. That's why this action is called pull request. After the code changes approved, maintainers will merge them to the open source project. So from which aspects could we submit a pull request? Most of the code contribution intentions come from the Apache DolphinScheduler GitHub issues, which include changes about feature, bug, improvement, test, and subtask. We could solve this issue and contribute code on the basis of the issue description. As a novice, I suggest us start with the novice task. Open the DolphinScheduler issues page. We could see the easy to fix list in pinned issues. The official continues to provide us with novice tasks for first contribution, and those tasks always with easy to fix or good first issues tag on them. We could select issues that we are interested in for our first pull request submission. Here's points to notice when we submit a pull request. Let's open the pull request notice page from Submit Guide of the community documents. DolphinScheduler pull request specifications include title, branch name, commit message, and code style. Next, we are going to learn the correct pull request specifications based on official documents. The first one is pull request title, which is the title we set when submitting a pull request. It is composed of pull request type, issue number, module name, and description. And for the module name, just fill in the module name the code belongs to. And the next one is pull request branch name, which is the newly created branch in our local Git, and the format is pull request type with issue number. Commit message is our submission message when we submit the code. It should include three parts: header, body, and footer. Among them, header is necessary. Body and footer could be omitted. The header part of the commit message has just one line, including three fields: type, scope, and subject. And its format is DS, issue number, type, and subject. The remaining body and footer part we won't expand here. You could learn about them in commit message notice. And we are going to write our first pull request commit message. Mock this example. About the code style, just configure it according to the official guidance which ensures the encoding format, and we won't go in details. At last, DolphinScheduler officially recommends that everyone submit a pull request at the smallest granularity of the task. By following, I'm going to demonstrate how to submit a pull request by correcting miswritten word and incorrect grammar in the DolphinScheduler document. For example, if we see miswritten word and incorrect grammar in the hardware environment page on the official website, we could submit an issue by ourselves or other people to expose this problem. Above all, we need to find the issue of this problem and leave a message that we will take over this issue. And the subsequent is divided into following steps. To begin with, fork and clone document repository to our GitHub, due to we are going to do some changes to the website. And this project could be replaced with DolphinScheduler if you are contribute to the DolphinScheduler project. What's next is to create a new branch and make code changes. Finally, push the commit and submit pull request. Firstly, open the website repository, and we need to fork the project to our GitHub. Then we clone the whole DolphinScheduler website project to our local machine. And if the network is unavailable, just try Git proxy. After the download is done, we use IDEA to load the whole project, and I have indexed the project in advance. Afterwards, we create a new branch and set its name, obey the specification we talked before. Bug and issue number 6939. After that, we need to locate the hardware environment article. To start with, we need to find version 2.0.0 and then find the markdown resource correspond to the hardware.html in the URL, which is under the user doc guide installation directory. Next, we will correct the miswritten words and the grammar. After all the changes is done, we commit these changes. And fill in the commit message to imitate the official example. Then we push this branch to our GitHub. We could see GitHub hint we have changes that could submit a pull request. Click Compare and Pull Request to submit and fill in the pull request title under the official guidance. In this way, we have done our first pull request attempt, and if there are any subsequent modifications, we could still do changes and push to this branch. And after we submit a pull request, the community committers will do code review. Furthermore, discuss some details with you, including design, implementation, performance, etc., and maybe some possible changes. After the team is satisfied with this pull request, the commit will be merged into the dev branch. Finally, congratulations, you have become an official contributor to DolphinScheduler.